Welcome to SK Educations Private Limited, a Delhi-based established company that is well known for India's two most premium franchisee educational brands. Bachpan in the play school segment, and Academic Heights Public School, that is AHPS, in the K-12 segment. With its technical arm, PriceSmart. Bachpan is a well-established play school franchisee brand that began its journey back in 2004. We pride ourselves for the fact that within a short span, our franchise network has grown to 1100 plus schools nationwide and is continuing. We bring the most contemporary and concept-based education for our children with a completely structured learning and the latest tech tools to break the monotony. It is the result of continuous research, process-driven approach, and the visionary leadership of our management.
I feel satisfied, glad and proud to be the head of SK Educations Private Limited. We are resolved to nurture children with a social, emotional, intellectual and value-based learning.
Bachpan and AHPS have won numerous awards and accolades at renowned platforms for being the favorite play school brand and the best K-12 school chain across the country. Small changes lead to bigger impact. Mr. Ajay Gupta, one of the most enterprising and prominent edupreneur, redefined the roadmap of success. It all started with the thought of scalable idea that was transformed into unique concepts and products. This marked the genesis of brands Bachpan and AHPS that have nationwide presence today.
We are India's top-notch education service provider. I am proud to say that Bachpan is the best in pre-primary education segment and Academic Heights Public School is a rising star. We value our stakeholders and work tirelessly to support them.
Bachpan caters to educational and upbringing needs of children between 2 to 5 years. Unique pedagogy, updated curriculum matching global standards, state-of-the-art infrastructure, scientific and advanced study material, play and learn equipment. We provide facilities that are considered at par with international standards and norms, with no compromise in the quality of our preschool standards. We allow our franchisees to sell our goods, services and concepts for which all research, survey and homework has been done for a long number of years. A safe investment that requires only a few hours of the day. Bachpan schools have safety as top priority. More than 1 lakh students with Bachpan, and the journey continues still.
It is important to take risks, challenges and think out of the box. That's what has given us a real edge. Bachpan is close to heart. Started back in 2004, it had created a ripple effect. We are investing heavily in technology, automation and revamping our support system in the interest of stakeholders.
We are dedicated to excellence in education since 2004. We truly believe that our knowledge and experience keep us on our toes to constantly perform even better.
Over the years, we researched thoroughly and recognized the tremendous opportunities in the education scenario in India. In 2009, SK Educations launched formal school brand, Academic Heights Public School, to extend the educational journey of Bachpanites into K-12 segment. 100 plus AHPS schools are successfully operational across India and follow the CBSE curriculum. We have devised unique support system for our franchisees to support them from the first day of school finalization. Our team members are always delighted to assist you proactively in the implementation of the profitable venture AHPS.
We are ready to meet the growing demands of education segment and leaving no stone unturned to become a market leader. We are doing many international tie-ups to give global exposure to our students and franchises.
AHPS are schools that take safety as their priority number one. These are infra-rich schools having the best facilities and amenities. At AHPS, reputed academicians, teachers, and subject experts comprise the academic backbone of the company.
The research and development is the backbone of a company. We provide complete academic and training support to all our Bachpan as well as formal academic heights public schools all over India.
We update our network on curriculum and activities, latest industry updates, and plan competitive strategies. Our R&D team has developed curriculum for Bachpan and AHPS in association with some of the best authors, academicians, teachers, and psychologists of the industry. We develop varied educational resources for teachers, principals, directors, and support staff. The organization relies heavily on its robust research and idea-driven innovations to bring forth the best books, academic material, and learning tools for the students.
Our R&D team has subject matter experts, content writers, and graphic designers. They provide customized, age-appropriate, delightfully latest learning content for our students.
Our books are distinct from those of competitors in terms of content, quality, color, creativity, and above all, for being user-friendly. At SK Educations, we strive to provide K-12 educational solutions at core, ancillary to core and hybrid for schools and children. We provide multi-layer support, which includes school setup, marketing, social media, publications, editorial, continuous research and development, advertisement, recruitment and technical training support through newsletters, visits, trainings, audits, and on phone.
Our USP is reachability of fine education and technology to the remotest part of our country.
We provide all possible support material, academic and support material to serve ever-changing needs of our schools and students in K-12 segment. This was about the extensive, well-equipped, well-managed and systematic functioning of the Bachpan and AHPS warehouse. Secure storage, efficient record keeping, digital system, trained staff. We invest to enrich our customer experience. Happy to serve you. Parentskey.com, our online shopping portal, gives a great experience and also the convenience to the community of parents nationwide. They can order 24/7 and track their orders digitally. We have an in-house manufacturing unit spanning across a massive space of 50,000 square feet, which is equipped with the state-of-the-art machinery and technology to create a world-class institutional furniture. the first time in India, Bachpan and AHPS have complete modular furniture in all the branches, which is colorful, safe and durable. We provide exclusive range of setup material for thematic concept rooms like classroom segment, gym segment, dollhouse segment, puppet theatre, AV room, classrooms, library, labs and office under one roof. Wearing the school uniform brings a sense of harmony, equality and togetherness among the children. For Bachpan, we have winter, summer and sports uniforms, while AHPS, we have uniforms for winters, summers and the 4 houses. A dedicated unit is established to cater the bulk requirement and meet quality standards. Quality control is practiced right from the initial stage of sourcing raw material to the final stage of a finished product. This ensures that our product is qualified for the market and up to the satisfaction of the end user. Our uniforms are suited to the comfort levels of students of all age groups, giving good fit across sizes. Our schools get the biggest support system. We have a team of 250 plus members to assist our schools in the franchise life cycle. We have 20 plus departments that work for meeting marketing, academic, administrative and day-to-day requirements of our schools.
Happy to Help is a connecting bridge between the schools and the organization.
Core work of my department is to develop good quality branches with the like-minded people for the betterment of education.
We maintain entire franchisee life cycle and handle day-to-day communication with our schools.
Our personnel conduct the training programs for our schools to train the trainers.
We have extended workforce working under various departments with a single mindset of hand-holding the schools.
We conduct some annual events to felicitate our schools as well as children. Our IT department works as support structure that manages the technical backend of our company. We manage the development and updation of the websites, ERP software and social media channels for Bachpan and AHPS.
We have a robust inventory management system. हमारी टीम पूरी लगन और मेहनत के साथ सदैव आपके लिए तैयार है.
We manage and oversee the daily operations of accounting department and give recommendations time to time. Our goal is to maintain financial compliance for the organization.
My team is extremely dedicated to help in reaching the best possible education through Bachpan and AHPS school.
We facilitate our good franchise schools during our annual event, Maestro Franchisee Awards. Samvad and Interaction is an annual event to honor academicians, mentors, teachers and leaders in education for their unparalleled contribution in education and society. AHPS Mega Competitions is a national event wherein students from different schools across India participate in large number. Activities are conducted under the supervision of experts to encourage active participation of students and reward the winner. In AHPS, we also launched other platforms like Olympiad, Born to Win and more. We conduct comprehensive training programs for constant skill enhancement of teachers, counselors, principals, support staff, etc. Training at EduFresh is for Bachpan schools. Training at EduTrain is for AHPS schools.
We provide trainings to our AHPS school teachers, principals and directors, and our trainings are at most contemporary, high class as per the need of CBSE, as per the guidelines of CBSE.
The company has its technical arm, PriceSmart, to create and provide all digital tools to its network. Our schools gain from our expertise and save their time, effort and expenditure required in developing tech tools. We have launched PriceSmart, e-learning solutions for Bachpan and AHPS schools to become the first play and formal school to offer e-learning solutions mapped with entire syllabus in 3D HD graphics. We provide digital smart class through PriceSmart Magic and PriceSmart Classic. Bachpan is the first preschool in India to launch Speako Kit, which includes Speako books and a Spico pen, immersive learning through augmented reality and virtual reality, tablet-enabled learning and Robotime, a wonderful curriculum-based introduction of robotics. Knowing and understanding robotics and latest technology at an early stage of life will help children.
The use of technology is becoming more and more integrated in all aspects of life. In education sector also, it is doing wonders. This is where PriceSmart comes into picture. PriceSmart is the technical wing of SK Education. We here give the latest technology to the students so that they have future-ready educational products. We are the first brand to introduce exclusive e-learning content fully mapped with its curriculum. We have used detailed 3D animations in HD quality which are musically rendered. Followed by this, we introduced VR, AR and robotic labs.
SK Education has become completely digital with the use of ERP solution paperless. With this cloud technology, our schools and students will always be updated in real time. Our schools get an opportunity to run additional projects that include Bachpan Academy, Saturday Club, Activity Junction, Noon Shift. We have been regularly blessed and wished well by prominent figures for our endeavor towards excellence and motivate our children to become the future leaders.
We have a rich experience of working pan-India. We deliver well due to comparative advantages in production, efficient resources, widespread network, and a hard-working team spread across the country.
We receive an overwhelming response from our schools nationwide.
15 साल पहले एक सपना देखा था जिसको आज साकार होते हुए देखकर बहुत खुशी होती है। मैं बात कर रहा हूँ आपके अपने बचपन एकेडमिक हाइट्स पब्लिक स्कूल की। आइए हम साथ साथ अपने सपनों की दुनिया को सच में बदलते जाएं।
We strive to keep growing in terms of number of schools and number of students to reach the most distant places. Expected milestone in 2020, 1500 plus schools in India and abroad. SK Education proudly announces our upcoming university at Delhi NCR Sonipat by name Rishi Hood University. 30 acres land, world-class infrastructure in the vicinity of Rajiv Gandhi Educational City. This ultimate culmination to the university charts the entirely fulfilling, energizing and spirit-driven journey of the company from preschool through K-12 school to the university. With Rishi Hood University, we are aspiring to bring excellence to higher education as well. Our university conducts different programs by the name Big Shots, wherein dignitaries are invited from different segments to share their experiences and ideas.
We are marching ahead to create more opportunities, bigger platforms, international tie-ups, state-of-the-art infrastructure, and to maintain global standard in education sector.
जब हमारे इमर्सिव लर्निंग से इनू और बच्चे किताबों से सुनेंगे, स्मार्ट क्लासेस से एक्सप्लोर करेंगे और क्लासरूम्स को एक एक्साइटिंग एक्सपीरियंस बनाएंगे, तो आप अपना बचपन फिर से एक बार जीना तो चाहेंगे ही। बट सॉरी, क्योंकि बचपन सिर्फ एक बार आता है। बचपन, प्ले स्कूल, an eye on the future, an ear for applause, the fragrance of a winning formula, the sweet taste of success, and a touch of humanity. Academic Heights Public School. We teach life.